Welcome to pkpioneers.com tutorials. Today we will show you how to change images on your hero banner in Shopify store. Let's open Shopify admin dashboard. Here click on Online Store link in the left panel of dashboard. Now the theme selected will appear. Here we will click on Customize button. Now website landing page will appear with theme settings on left panel. Here click on Slideshow tab in left panel. Under the Slideshow tab you can see Image tab. Click on Image tab. You can select an image from the list or you can upload an image from your computer. Once your image is selected, you can remove the title, description and button from the banner or slideshow images if required. Now click on Save button and visit your home page. Now you know how to change images on your hero banner on Shopify store. Please like, share and subscribe.